Ever tried fitting a Facebook post into an Instagram post? Or your Instagram post into LinkedIn? Chances are they'd not fit it. Why? Because every social media platform has its own requirements. So what's the solution? Hi, this is Praveen from PicMaker. In this video, we are going to talk about different social media image sizes and how to get them right when you post them. Stay with me till the end and I'll show you how to use one graphic for all your social platforms. That's not all. There's a bonus for you at the end. Let's jump into it right away. First up on our list is Facebook, or Meta as we know it today. It frequently updates its image dimensions. So as a thumb rule, remember to upload high quality and high resolution images to stand out. Also note that Facebook does not stretch your images, instead it crops them. Let us start with the profile picture for Facebook. Facebook's standard profile photo dimensions are 180 by 180 pixels. It displays at 170 by 170 pixels on desktop computers, 120 by 120 pixels on smartphones, and 36 by 36 pixels on feature phones. For your cover photo, Facebook's recommended dimensions are 851 by 315 pixels. It displays at 820 by 312 pixels on desktop and 640 by 360 pixels on smartphones. The ideal file size is less than 100 KB. Facebook timeline photos are automatically resized to a width of 500 pixels. This is to ensure it fits the aspect ratio of 1.91 by 1. So maintain a dimension of 1200 by 630 pixels to avoid pixelation. For Facebook Stories, 1080 by 1920 pixels is the recommended size. It takes up a full mobile screen with an aspect ratio of 9 by 16. Next up on our list is Instagram. Being a visual platform, Instagram offers brands a variety of options in terms of image dimensions. Horizontal and vertical images are supported along with square images. Don't worry if you are not aware of square images. I'm going to explain what it means in the next section. For Instagram profile photos, 320 by 320 pixels is the recommended size, and 1080 by 1080 is the best for Instagram feed photos. As you'd notice, images with the same height and width are called square images. Unlike your profile photo, all feed photos will be cropped as a square. So make sure you get your sizes right there. For landscape photos, you need to use images with 1080 by 566 pixels. Whereas for portrait photos, 1080 by 1350 pixels would be ideal. For Instagram Stories, the recommended image dimension is 1080 by 1920 pixels with an aspect ratio of 9 by 16. Photos that deviate from the aspect ratio of 9 by 16 might look with these croppings. If you are wondering about the resolution and aspect ratio for Instagram Reels, then you'll be happy to note that they are the same as IG Stories. Okay folks, until now we have seen the different image sizes for Facebook and Instagram. Geez, don't worry if you do not remember them. We've got them all here in the description below. Let's move on to our third platform, and that is Twitter. Did you know that tweets with visual content are 3 times more likely to receive engagement than the plain tweets? So it is paramount to incorporate visual content into your tweets. Let's see the size gauge for Twitter. For your profile picture on Twitter, the recommended size is 400 by 400 pixels. Also, keep in mind that 200 by 200 pixels is the minimum required image size. The file size should not exceed 2 MB. Twitter header photos should be around 1500 by 500 pixels with an aspect ratio 3 by 1. Remember that the way header images are displayed differs based on the device and browser you are using. Twitter's in-stream photos allows users to share and view photos directly on their feeds without clicking a link. And for that, 1600 by 900 pixels is the recommended size. JPEG, PNG and GIF are the supported formats. Wow, we have seen all the 3 major social media platforms. Oh no, wait, there's the biggest B2B social media platforms that we haven't spoken about. Yeah, that's right, we haven't spoken about LinkedIn yet. Let's go. LinkedIn posts that are accompanied by images receive 2 times more comment rate. It's a no-brainer that social media marketers must pair their LinkedIn post with images. For LinkedIn cover photos, 1584 by 396 pixels is the recommended size, and the ideal aspect ratio is 4:1. For company page profile picture, LinkedIn suggests 300 by 300 pixels. The cover image should be in 1128 by 191 pixels. LinkedIn is not an exception for stories. Just like the other platforms, 9:16 is the ideal aspect ratio for LinkedIn stories. Great, that's so much information. Don't forget to check our timestamp for size gates on specific social media platforms. Pinterest is a discovery and visual search engine where getting your images spot on is the key to help your pins perform better. Let's look at the image sizes for the platform. Your Pinterest profile photo will be displayed in a circle with the ideal size being 165 by 165 pixels. For the Pinterest cover photo, a minimum of 800 by 450 pixels is the recommended size. Landscape photos should be in the aspect ratio of 16:9. Now let's jump into Pinterest pins. 1000 by 1500 pixels is the ideal size for your pins, whereas square pins should be in 1000 by 1000 pixels. And now the mother of all social media, YouTube. YouTube, we know, is a video sharing platform and the second largest search engine after Google. But what about the images? Image elements such as video thumbnails, channel art and channel profile picture are paramount to boost your video views and gain subscribers. Let's see the size gate for all those image elements. 800 by 800 pixels is the recommended size of a YouTube channel profile photo. Your profile photo on YouTube will render at a resolution of 98 by 98 pixels in a circle. All of us need a smashing YouTube banner for more subscribers. For YouTube banners, 2048 by 1152 pixels is the minimum recommended resolution. Don't forget to check out our tutorial that explains how to design a YouTube banner that fits all devices. Check the description to know more. A YouTube thumbnail is like a movie poster that convinces people to watch your video. For a thumbnail, 1280 by 720 pixels with a minimum width of 640 pixels is ideal. The best file size limit is 2 MB and supported file formats are JPEG, PNG and GIF. And finally, the ideal size for YouTube outros, also known as YouTube end cards, is 1920 by 1080 pixels. Make sure that you maintain an aspect ratio of 16:9 for best results. As I said before, you cannot use one graphic for all your social media profiles. Redesigning your image to fit the social platform needs is tiresome, but you don't need to worry. With PicMaker Resize feature, you can resize your image into tons of different sizes. The feature is preloaded with all social media dimensions, so you can resize in just one click. Okay, now is the time for the big reveal. Here is the extra bonus coming your way. We've compiled the social media size guide into an ebook. Sneak into our description to find the link to download. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you don't want to miss the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.